headlines. 5 Congress councillors join BJP in Manipur. Natural resources capability can make Manipur attractive tourist destination, says Jayant Kumar. And MSPDCL shuts power supply at Moreh town after huge power bill due. Hello, this is Times of Manipur English News. I'm Mandira and now the news in detail. In another jolt to the opposition Congress in Manipur, altogether 5 councillors of the party joined Manipur unit of Bharatiya Janata Party today. They were felicitated by State Chief Minister N. Biren Singh during a function at the party office located at Kanchipur, Imphal. The councillors who have switched side to the Saffron Party are Muhammad Dilip of Ward number 5, Muhammad Abdul Khaliq of Ward number 6, Guraruban Ingaucha Sharma of Ward number 7, Konjengbom Ito Singh of Ward number 8 and Longjam Kamala Devi of Ward number 9. Manipur Chief Minister and BJP leader Biren Singh told journalists that beside councillors, Moreh legislators will be joining the party soon. Biren said despite Congress party's claim that the BJP party will not last long owing to leadership feud, the public understands what BJP stands for and that is getting stronger.
Honorable MLA Singh, sangang na bagi approach ti lay taban nate. Adam lay do madu center ki national party ni na ko. Center ki dagi madu ki ayaba launa na bahai ta. Do ki process ta. Do bu khana di ta re. Manungi problem thoi thok pa laitre ta hojik moi karino khabar ama thana leba khara di honorable unarudi ba MLA ahum duki manung duki amaga unaba kanda sumna sum state governor ma lakna sum changbani na hairi ena slai kaisu thoi thok pa dugumba manungi laitre aduna bo reward ma yam pangai si moi de haubu dagi hek day one de hairu kaina dumai si sarkar ji saloi kaira da misi sarkar saloi kaira da dum hai lakpani da सही है निमा खाए हंजले अंदर की ताम मंगा आम चलने मथंग जो तुम है निमो मथंग जो कोई सेम दो ही नहीं ना अब सेंटर रूम तो करना करने की
State Medicinal Plants Board SMJH, Directorate of Ayush and Tonjau Educational Trust, Thanga, Hisnamleka in Bishnupur district jointly organized a one-day extensive awareness workshop on Tonospora cordifolia, Ningtho Kongli at Kiamba Ningshing Sanglen, Bishnupur. Speaking at the workshop, Health and Family Welfare Minister L. Jayant Kumar Singh stated that we must work hard to make Manipur a self-reliant state. Manipur has bountiful natural resources and also has the capability to make an attractive tourist destination, he said. Jayant Kumar said that the state is buying products like essential oil, perfume, medicines and food processed and manufactured from the natural resources available in the state by foreign companies. The minister added that Ningtho Khongli is one of the plants which can be harvested for medicinal purpose to generate income. Several experts talked about related issues at the awareness workshop program. Students and teachers of different schools also took part in the workshop. Manipur State Power Distribution Company Limited has shut power supply at important government offices including PHED and Electricity Department Rest House. Moreh in Manipur's border town of Moreh of Tengnoupal district over non-clearance of power bill amounting to over Rs 1.20 crore. The power shutdown was enforced from September 17. As a result, Moreh residents are facing water supply cut-off since the past few days. In this regard, a team of reporters today visited different parts of the border town to find out the ground reality arising out of the power shutdown. Moreh Electricity Department Rest House currently owes outstanding electricity bill amounting to Rs 3 lakh while 12 lakh for Moreh Trade Center. On the other hand, Moreh Hospital owes more than rupees 5 lakh. It is also learnt that on request from the locals and after discussing the issue with the higher authority, MSPDCL resumed power supply to Moreh Hospital and primary healthcare. Talking to media, President of All Community Development Organization, Moreh T.H. Buddha, said that people of Moreh are facing hardships due to non-functioning of PHED Moreh. He drew the attention of the state government to look into the matter without delay.
PHED Department ki makhada Water Supply Department na Moreh da piriba ising asi matam kaya gi mamang dagi laktabana Moreh praja huji kham thengna awaba du mayok nare masi hariba ising asi akoina department da hangjaru matam da government gi mai kakhibadagi ising asi piba ngamdabani hai masi Moreh praja gi khanbi duna Manipur gi laingak na hariba mai si pipi duna Moreh praja na kham thengna wariba sida mateng pangbiu aduga Moreh Hospital gisu mamang da mai kai haina pautai hai ba sisu miyeng sanghaningi hoji Moreh sidi asaba mafam oibna Moreh si isingi yamna darkar oiba laitalaira na maram oiba nongmugi suruga saba mafam oibna isingi awaba se aduki matik mayok nei hai ba isingi awaba sibu Manipur gi laingak na miyeng changbiduna athu matamda ising asi water supply gi ising asi thabi na ba haijari.
Security forces seized 2 AK-56 rifles, 2 hand grenades, 1 country-made pistol, along with several live rounds at Indo-Myanmar border area, according to a report. Earlier in the day, a combined team of 43 Assam Rifles and Moreh Commando carried out search operation, during which the weapons were unearthed near border pillar number 80. The seized weapons were displayed to the media, which were later handed over to Moreh police station for further investigation. A Thobal police team led by Additional Superintendent of Police T.H. Dishorjit Singh arrested 2 accused from Tripura in drug seizure case. According to reports, the arrested were identified as 22-year-old Tanmoy Pal of Dhupirbong, Krishnapur of North Tripura and 29-year-old Jhutan Malakar of Kamalpur village, Tripura. They have been brought to Manipur by the police team for further investigation. NSS Cell and Department of Youth Affairs and Sports jointly organized the Golden Jubilee celebration of National Security Scheme NSS at the Auditorium Hall of Kumanlampak Sports Complex, Imphal. Speaking at the occasion, Youth Affairs and Sports Minister Letpa Haukip stated that only education won't bring a developed society, adding that the youths must be educated on equities and responsibility. The minister asserted that there is vast difference between the education system now and before. Despite accessibility to advanced technology, we witness deterioration in moral standards among youths these days, he added. Letpa further said that we must work for progress of the family, the locality and the society at large, adding that self-dependence is the key in bringing change in the society.
Imana, Ipana, Bazar de building amle, Adage Sida Dukanamle, Ege Dule, Masana Sikim Potopangam Draba, Lina Amakaka Chobam now, the Yolani building the Loire, quite take a lubadi, Isana, Sintok Lambira, Isana Hingzenaba, Karino, Hotnaba, Migi, Karani Mating da Hingdanaba, Hotnaba, I say. Satra Naharon Noigi Wakalon Wakanda Kak Ahoigi Society, Ahoigi Samasisida Ahombala Kani Tazavani.
Commissioner of Youth Affairs and Sports Bobby Wycombe said that there is a lack of civic sense and sacrifice among the youth. He urged the people to work hand in hand to bring a change for the future generation.
Wakalon si chelak polo na dum tongjare laikai da karida rakhoi gi society sidadi sigma kathuk bagi haina bi chanabi musule koi local club sing sinayam na choba thodang loba aduna thoidona kathuk bagi thabak asidi yamna luba pot ama oirodra na khanje hana di chahi tra mari de na kudra manga something haira me youth sikar handara mane na ha wari ba haiba tare sigi mayam sigi role model oise khoina afaba thabak tor kan na mayam interaction aduga khoi lebak si Apabalibak Adugumba, Kogi Bebharda, Karida, General Patap Mayam said, she mean Hanadi respect on labor said, amuk hena chesan naba.
As part of the event, Litpao Hockey flagged off a rally which was participated by volunteers of NSS of various schools and colleges, carrying the message of water is our life, save forest and long live NSS. The NSS volunteers who took part in both national and international level competitions were present with gifts at the function. Now we have a short commercial break, but coming up next. Motor Corp Manipur is all set to organize Vintage Motor Rally on September 29th in Imphal.
Mega Monsoon Offer. Be a lifetime subscriber of lamjingbatomtv daily newspaper at ₹10,000 only. For more details, please come and visit our lamjingbatomtv office at Uripok Laikurembi Laikai, Imphal West, or contact us at 8837353352 or 9402991938. Maitei Singi Puwari ga Sagon Aduna Laklaba Mapam Ama Oiriba Sagolban Thangapat Lairiba, the Thangapat Restaurant and Departmental Store, Ngaihak Awaba Pothafam Ama Oibata Natana, Restaurant Manung the Yaujariba, Inbuilt Departmental Store da Adongi Household Items Sing Su Pangbiragani. Veg amadi non-veg ki menu items sing na adom gi taste bud to satisfy oihaliba menu items sing enjoy to view. Amadi Thangapat ki view enjoy to view. Langston Biraksi, the Thangapat Restaurant and Departmental Store.
Welcome back. Motor Corp Manipur is all set to organize a Vintage Motor Rally on September 29 in Imphal. Addressing the media at Manipur Press Club Imphal, President of the association, Heaven Singh, said that the fund raised from the rally will be donated to Sydney-based November Foundation, which is engaging in prostate cancer research and mental health initiatives. The association urged all vintage bike riders as well as motorcycle enthusiasts to take part in the upcoming rally. Informing about the dress code of the rally, the association said every participant needs to wear a tie and a helmet. Moreh Police Station, Tengnoupal District will be awarded the DGP Manipur Trophy for Best Police Station 2019. Lilong Police Station will be given the second Best Police Station, and Thoubal Police Station will be awarded the third Best Police Station award for Director General of Police Trophy for the Best Police Station 2019. Award for Best Police Officer will be awarded to Muhammad Waqibuddin, a Sub-Inspector of Lilong Police Station. The trophies, commendation, certificates along with cash rewards will be presented to the winners on the occasion of the Manipur Police Raising Day on October 19, 2019, an official release informed today. All Manipur Students Union AMSU Wangjing Unit will organize a Manipuri poem recitation competition at the premises of YK College, Wangjing on 28th of this month. This was informed through a press release today from the union. The press release also informed that the competition will be held in 3 categories for students reading in standard 7 to 12. Health for All organization HFAO based at Arong Khunau of Kakching district today distributed old age pension cards to 60 beneficiaries during a simple function held at the organization office. In this regard, Secretary of HFAO Haikrujam Prem Kumar said that the old pension cards were given to 50 selected women beneficiaries and 10 male beneficiaries of the area. He added that ₹200 per month will be provided to the beneficiaries under the pension scheme.
अखोई लुपा था अमगी लुपा सनी सनी अखोई पेंशन स्कीम मसी अखोई पिजगदोमनी अखोई था अहुमरी लेरगा अखोई था थागिदी अखोई पिजरोय पैसासी अखोई याम नतमनिना मतमतमगी अखोई प्रोग्राम मथुंग इना अखोइना कौजरगा पेंशन लसी अखोई लोई यंथोकसगनी पिजदोगिबा पेंशन लसी अखोई डिपार्टमेंट कनामतगा अखोई मरी लेनते सुनखकी अखोई एनजीओगी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन फंड अमदी अखोई अखोई तोंगा तोंबा अखोई हफाउना पाइजबा प्रोजेक्ट सिंगी स्टाफ सिंदगी अखोई यानर मतुंदा डोनेशन खरगा तमिनरगा सोथजरबा अदगी ngसागी अहल लोरबा सिंगी कितंग मतेंग पांगबिजे हाइदुना वखलोंद सिगलगा पेंशन स्कीम मसी पिजबनी.
As part of the month-long celebration of birth anniversary of Jananeta Irawat, lifetime president of Jananeta Irawat Memorial Trust, GIMT Juribam Dr. Chandam Kamal and the volunteers of the trust visited Dibong Government Junior High School, Dibong, educating the students about the life and works of Jananeta Hijam Irawat today. Later, he interacted with the students and distributed sweets to them. At the event, Vice President of the Trust K. Kumanjao, Joint Secretary M. Romeo Singh, Finance Secretary T. Sanjit Singh, Organization Secretary M. Santa Kumar Singh, and Member L. Jiren Singh were also present. Manipur police arrested an active cadre of KCP Noyon Group, who is also a former cadre of United People's Party of Kanglei Park last evening near Uripok Cherab Court, Maning in Imphal West. The arrested cadre has been identified as Tongram Anil alias Anand Singh, aged 32 years, son of late T. Ibohanbi Singh of Thangmaiban Yumanam Laikai, Imphal, according to a report. Meanwhile, a team of Imphal West Commando arrested an active cadre of the banned outfit UNLF from his Brahmpur Beghyabati Laikai residence under Imphal East last afternoon. According to a report, the arrested cadre was identified as 35-year-old Warepam Chandrakumar alias Tamleng Khomba, son of late W. Chandra Singh. The operation was conducted following a reliable source from 15 Assam Rifles, the report said. Upon interrogating Chandra Kumar, it was learnt that he joined the UNLF in 2009 and got his basic military training in eastern Nagaland. He was later handed over to Porompat police station for further course of legal action. A newly constructed women vendor built under the Finance Commission Award 2017-18 by Kakching Municipal Council at Kakching Supermarket, Market Number 1, was opened to public today. On the first day, a one-day Mao market was opened there. The women market shed was inaugurated by MLA of Kakching constituency Y. Surchandra. Kakching residents thronged the Mao market buying vegetables and other items. The one-day Mao market was arranged by volunteers of Kakching Municipal Council, JNGVO and AKSU. Speaking at the function, MLA Y. Surchandra said that both the hills and valley have been coexisting for a very long time. He said Mao market opened today at Kakching indicates peaceful coexistence. Surchandra assured that he can arrange a temporary market shed for the Mao vendors if they wish to come to Kakching on regular basis. We have another short break, but coming up next. Kolkata-based industrialist and philanthropist Brijesh Bhagat lauded for extending support to Phaubitek High School.
Coil Green, India's #1 genset brand by Kirloskar Efficiency Integrated, is now in Manipur. Generator range 2.4 kVA to 1010 kVS DG set. Automobile engineering works at New Chakon Road, Imphal East, MI Store Building, 1st floor. Contact us at 9862 566601 or 038524520011. Authorized dealer, Kirloskar Gensets.
Welcome back. Phaubitek Islamic Multicultural Association PIMCA and School Management Committee of Phaubitek High School lauded Kolkata-based industrialist and philanthropist Brijesh Bhagat for extending support for developing infrastructure of the school. Notably, the help came in after a TOMTV's exclusive report on the pathetic condition of the school, which was aired on 14th of July this year. Talking to TOMTV in this regard, President of PIMCA, T.H. Rajauddin, said that it is fortunate for the school that some help is received despite government's indifferent attitude shown towards the school for a long time. He urged the concerned authority to take steps for development of the school by 2020.
School class 1 to 10 pogi standard live school ne do classroom sub na itaruk ta laibana mara moja class asi mapung phana 1 to 10 phosi chalai bangam dadan laire aduna awada pa hoji classroom ahum mari wale toilet bathroom ge awada pa laire fencing ge awad pa laire oja ge awad pa laire awada pa mayam sing asi lakadoriba 2020 asi ge section haudri phau manung da mention biduna laingak na awat apa laitaba Pobiti High School amo henbio haina sarkar gi mekai da thamjare.
An awareness campaign against illicit poppy plantation was held today at the District Training Center Hall, Churachandpur District. The program was jointly organized by District Administration and Superintendent of Police, Churachandpur, keeping in view of the alarming widespread poppy cultivation practice in the hill areas of the state. DGP of Manipur Police, LM Khauti, said that security forces in the Manipur, including NAB and other law enforcement agencies, have been conducting drive against illicit poppy cultivation on a war footing. He added that Churachandpur district has recorded the largest number of poppy fields in Manipur.
The process of production of morphine, opium, then brown sugar, heroin has been made possible. So it's a very important thing. Apart from fighting overall drug menace in the state, it's very important to put priority on illicit poppy cultivation. So this is the right time, the beginning, to spread awareness. Don't do it. If you do it, we are going to cut and going to lose your money.
The Churachandpur Farzol District Education Employees Union today protested against the revision of pay affected by the state government. The move resulted in downgradation of teachers' salaries. Several teachers gathered at YPA ground where they demonstrated from 11:30 am and later they marched towards the office of Deputy Commissioner of Churachandpur and Farzol, where they submitted a memorandum urging the Chief Minister to review the ROP decision. The protesters also informed that a series of agitations will be taken up if the demand is not met at the earliest.
When the ROP is under process, all the teachers in the education department, we are quite happy and we wait eagerly that there will be a change and rectification in our pay. But unfortunately on the 11th June 2019, when the ROP is released by the Finance Department Manipur government, we are shocked. The mass of teacher community are shocked and we feel discriminated and we are humiliated. We are not going to fight for anything which is not for the teachers, but we know our right and we know what is ours. And the teacher of CDPED will continue to fight until we achieve what is due to us.
Renowned fashion designer of Manipur, Robert Nauram, has been invited to showcase his collection in the La Fabricatal Vapor Fashion Parade to be held in New York on February 13 next year. This was informed by Robert Nauram during a press meet at his showroom in Uripok, Imphal. The fashion designer added he bagged the Best International Fashion Designer Award for his IMA collection at the recently concluded International Fashion Week held at Milan.
Doida akhoi collection amukamu hanna Manipur gi phazaraba iyong gi phazaba se utnabai damakta khoibu baton tawbirei amadi ayaba pibirei sigi damakta yam nungaiba phongdokchari amadi aigi award amadi aigi ngasi leiriba aigi stage akhoi leiriba platform si Manipur miyam amadi aibu nuksibiba amadi leiriba mayam sina miyam singsina nuksibibada gi ai sigi level se bo yoraga lakchakibani duna whole credit award se ai public mayam gi maphamda sinajaningi amadi ai phisabi singbu moi maphamda makhoi yaudana ai apamba puthoklamoi amadi ai tailoring unit yaramdana ai design apamba puthoklamoi duna makhoi maphamda ai aina phangzariba momento amadi award se makhoi gi su yawi haiduna ai media gi thongda ai haijaningi.
part of the month-long observance of Rashtriya Poshan Ma, an initiative by the Prime Minister of India Narendra Modi to eradicate malnutrition from India by 2022. A function was held to observe Rashtriya Poshan Ma at Ibuda Wangbrain Khana Chau Shanglane, Akampad, Imphal East today. The function was organized by Imphal East District Administration.
Asagi Liberiba Canosing Mayam Zipuna, Kangminaraga, Apone Hena, Masamo Pava, Angang Mayamama, Dagi Mamagi, health, nutrition, the Suma Mayamsita focused on Pantuk Savani, Yam Lavo Pavana, PhD issue, environment Kikarigi, Adagi Sing Taknaba, Pava Pangbagi, Aduma Mayam's discussions that Yagodori, Adanasmana, Apunba, Akwagi collective team Mamaka Semga Laga, Lamdam Sigi. Tongan aspect sida health to oiro adagi akoi environment ki oiro pollution ki oiro punna khana bagi achoba tanja ama pibi badungba thauramni haje.
Now let's have a look at the sports news. The much-awaited elections for Board of Control for Cricket in India (BCCI) is rescheduled by a day to October 23rd in the wake of assembly elections in Haryana and Maharashtra. Chairman of the Committee of Administrators running Indian cricket, Vinod Rai, informed today. As per reports, both the states will be voting on October 21st in a single-phase election, and to ensure that voter members from the two units are not inconvenienced, the cricket board poll has been postponed by a day. 32-year-old Lionel Messi won the FIFA Men's Player of the Year award with 34-year-old Megan Rapinoe bagging the women's prize to cap a historic year for the United States World Cup icon during a glittering function held last evening in Milan. As per reports, Barcelona striker Messi's victory was a surprise as he edged out Virgil van Dijk, who won the UEFA Players Award last month after helping Liverpool to the Champions League last season. On the other hand, 34-year-old Rapinoe won the Golden Boot for being top scorer and the Golden Ball for the best player at the World Cup, and also became the face of the tournament for her outspoken views on US President Donald Trump. Now the top news headlines once again. 5 Congress councillors joined BJP in Manipur. Natural resources capability can make Manipur attractive tourist destination, says Jayanta Kumar. And MSPDCL shuts power supply at Moray town after huge power bill due. This is all we have for now, but keep watching Times of Manipur. Thank you.